What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be taking apart this car. Hopefully I can get a lot of it done, take off the K-member, and start installing the turbo headers and all that stuff. I'm also take off pretty much the fenders and the front end, start installing the intercooler, pretty much all that stuff. But before I do all that, I have to go get some tools to start taking it apart. But also, I haven't even been posting too much on what's all done to the Focus. That one's, it's, you can say, kind of stock as well. It only has an intercooler, charge pipes, downpipe, and intake. And then as of right now, it has a boost leak, so I have to fix it. It's coming from the blow-off valve. I put an aftermarket blow-off valve, and I think the gasket didn't sit well, so I have to fix that. But other than that, that's pretty much what's done. I mean, it's lowered on some coilovers. I'm not sure what kind. I forgot the brand. I bought them so long ago. And then obviously wheels. I plan on wrapping it pretty soon. Hopefully once I install all the turbo and stuff, hopefully like in a month or two, I could probably get all that done. I'll start fixing up the ST again. That's for the Mustang. Hopefully soon I can get some wheels. I gotta finish the wrap. I want to get some coilovers. When I do the K-member, I want to get the control arms, coilovers, and brakes put in there, all brand new. What else do I gotta get done? I got a few things that I gotta get done on that thing, especially detail the inside. The inside is so horrible. But I just picked this thing up too, so I mean, I got hella fucking projects going on right now. Like, I got too many. Sometimes I don't even know what the fuck to do. But I've been buying parts for this one, Mustang, and the Focus. Obviously the main priority, like the main one to get done is the Mustang, for sure. I've been having it for like 6-7 years. I've been working on it since that long. I've been just buying parts here and there slowly until I used to street race it a lot until I broke it, the Mustang, or the motor blew out, and then I never got it tuned. So now I know not to run it with a tune. But yeah, so the motor, the red one that I showed you guys, that's the old one. In my previous video, that's the old motor that was in there. I took it out. Now I'm building it. I just haven't taken it off the truck. It's so fucking heavy, so that's why it's still back there. But yeah, once I just want to get all the turbo parts put together, and once I do that, then I'm gonna take out the motor, I'm gonna start building this red one, and then when she's ready, I'll swap out the motors. I don't know if I should do the heads, since they're ported heads with the stage 2 comp cams. I'm still undecided. I would love to go bigger, do a bigger cam, but I mean, I'm still need a transmission anyway. So I'm running a stock auto transmission. I don't know what it has, but I mean, it was already, it wasn't slipping, but the converter, the torque converter, was kind of like, it will stall out because of the cam. But yeah, hopefully soon I could do that. The transmission will be way after. But yeah, guys, I had a few complications with my truck. Couldn't get much done. Installed the intercooler. It's not a good one, but it'll do for now. I couldn't do much to it just because I had to take the truck to the dealer and stuff, get some things fixed on it. But yeah, I'm gonna end it right there, guys. If you want to see more content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more. We'll see you on the next one, guys.